is your boy DS Dan. I am back again. Excuse me, I'm sorry for that. My phone, guys, you know, gotta mute it. It's your boy DS Dan. I am back again with a video for you guys. As you guys can see, we have the Air Jordan 1 High OG prototype. Before we get into this video, all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. These are set to release September 11th. That's right, 9/11, guys. Retail price of 170 bucks. Now, before I get into this review, I want to send a big shout out to my brother, man, HOLYSNEAKS. All his information will be in the description below. Go check him out. Go give him a follow on IG. That's my day one. I appreciate him for all he does, man. Big shout out to Holy for these right here. It's a new take on the Air Jordan 1. It involves crafted leather, nubuck overlays, hits on the reflective silver. So you got some reflective silver over here throughout the shoe with a perforated collar. This model can be customized to an Air Jordan 1 High or an Air Jordan 1 Low. I'll show you images of that right now. It is applying a fresh color scheme to both the shoe, the packaging, okay? As you guys can see, we got dope packaging. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I am not a fan of this shoe. I'm saying it's a clean shoe. It's a nice clean shoe, but it's just not for me, okay? As you guys know, I love Jordan 1s and I never bash a shoe, all right? That's just my opinion. Don't bash me. Whatever you guys like about them, that's fine with me. Guys, we are going to jump straight into these Air Jordan 1 prototypes. I'm going to show you what they looking like. Maybe you guys like them, maybe you guys don't. I actually like the box a lot, man. Real nice box. Size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro. The colorway is white, total orange, multicolor. Retail on these is 170, like I said. Inside the box, take a look at that paper. It comes with a tan paper in the box. Shoe does come with 4 sets of laces. As you can see, does come with the black on the shoe. You got your royal, orange, white laces, beige in the front of the toe box with that reflective stripe going in the front of the toe. Orange swoosh, black nylon tongue with the Nike Air in the orange. Very nice. See the cutout right there? Alright, basically you can cut this all off. I ain't cutting it. I'm gonna let you know that now. I would never cut a Jordan High into a Jordan Low. I just wouldn't do that. But yeah, you could cut the shoe if you guys want and make it into a low top Jordan 1. Alright, now as for quality on the shoe, quality is pretty good, I must say. White midsole goes around the whole shoe. Black swoosh with the white threading. And then you got your black in the back with the white thread. You got your blue hits on the top. You got like a baby blue. Then you got the royal blue. You got the black wing with the basketball and the Air Jordan right there. Got your suede all in the front of the toe box. Does go up over here on the eyelets also. Let's get to the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral. Black in the back with the stitching with the white. White on the midsole. White panel over here. On the blue, it is in a nice soft like suede nubuck material, and then the royal blue is in the leather. Nike Air in the orange with the blue inner sole, sock liner in black. We do got the royal blue, kind of like a baby blue, and you got your black in the back. Take a look at the bottom, all black bottom with the Nike branding right there. You know, I think Jordan Brand is trying some things, and you know, okay, it's cool for some. But, you know, I just like my Jordans OG, you know, just like a regular Jordan 1. But, yeah, man, they're cool. For 170, you can't beat that. So if you guys looking to get these September 11th, check your local malls. I want to know what you guys think in the comment sections below, man. Is this a cop? Is it a pass? Do you think Jordan Brand is doing too much by making you cut a Jordan 1 High into a low? Something different. And it's pretty cool. Not bad. Not bad. But yeah, I want to know what your guys' thoughts on the comment sections below, man. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, all right? And make sure you subscribe. There are a lot of you guys watch my videos but never subscribe. Come on, man. Show your boy some love. Subscribe to the channel. I love all you guys out there and I appreciate all you guys. And yeah, we're about to get into this on feet. I'm going to show you guys a quick on feet, what they look like. And yeah, it's your boy DS Dan. I'm gone.